Hi everyone, this is Anita. Welcome to my channel. So I am attempting to fix an error that I did. I had bought these chocolate, well, I'm thinking about chocolate because I painted them in brown. But they were these, a collection from the Dollar Tree, and they had, it was gathered together in it was red glitter, and there were like 3 or 4 in little package, in this little package here. So I didn't want the red and I didn't want the glitter, so I painted it in pink. I wasn't happy with the way it was turning out because at first I was going to make a wreath and place it there, and I'm like, Valentine's is only days away. I'm not gonna make a wreath. So my other attempt was, let me try to make candy, or make it look like candy. So I got the idea, because these hearts, the smaller ones that came with that package, I said these kind of like look like strawberries. So I made a hole there in the center. I placed some glue. Whoop, and that just popped out. It's okay. We'll fix that. Center that. No mistakes, just learning experiences. And I had taken a leaf from one of the flowers, and I slid it all the way around, and I'll show you that in a moment. So I just placed it there with hot glue, and I said that kind of like looks like a little strawberry, chocolate strawberry. And so I made a consistency in this cup, and what I used was Mod Podge because I wanted to make it thick. I didn't want it to be watery or anything like that. So Mod Podge, I used the Waverly chalk plaster, which is very thick. I added some of the apple barrel gloss because I didn't want it to be too flat looking. I wanted some shine to it. I used this color pink from apple barrel, and this is actually called fuchsia, but it looks like Pepto-Bismol to me, don't you think? So I didn't want Pepto-Bismol looking strawberry chocolate candies, so I'm diluting it, and I added a tint or two, a few drops of this bright red from apple barrel to come up with this lighter version of the pink. And then what I did was I have saved some of this from one of the Dollar Tree Christmas items. So I saved them, and with a pair of scissors, I kind of like went right over I laid it on wet, and then I cut this over it to make it look like pink sprinkles of some sort. So that's how they came out. So this time I'm not gonna do the sprinkle. I'm gonna go ahead, once it's dry, once the petal is dry, hold it, gather it, so that way it doesn't get all the paint on the petal also, and dip it as if you would be dipping chocolate into frosting. And just halfway, not all the way, and that's how it comes out. And it looks like a chocolate strawberry dipped in icing. And I think it looks great. It looks almost good to eat. So I'm gonna lay this one here. And I think I'll come back and make some like crisscross lines to it. So I hope you like this idea and use it. If you like it, please click like and subscribe if you can. If you like to follow me. I'm new to the channel and I'm learning how to do all the recording and all the editing. So it's going to take me a while before I get to be like one of the professionals out there that I love to watch. There's so many of you. And I thank you so much for taking the time to watch. And I hope you use this in one of your future Valentines. Or it doesn't even have to be a Valentine's. It could be for any project. But I think the idea is pretty cool. So, thank you for watching. Take care and be blessed.